Hello students, good morning. I am S K Thakur, Kendriya Vidyalaya Saharsa, TGT Maths. In front of you with a video of second part topic understanding quadrilateral for class 8. Students, we have already seen that understanding quadrilateral, what does it mean, what are the different kinds of curved figure, then a polygon, and then types of polygon. And after that we have seen quadrilateral, that is polygon of four sides, and its a classification and each type of a special quadrilateral. Now in this video we will see in details about the parallelogram, which is a quadrilateral whose both pairs of opposite sides are parallel. So we will discuss here the properties related to parallelogram so that our related exercise rider problem may be solved easily. For this student, it is needed to memorize all these 5 properties related to parallelogram. Just student, you see this parallelogram named ABCD. So what are its important properties? And you already know the definition. That definition is the first property here. So we say a quadrilateral whose both pair of opposite sides are parallel. So that is here first property. Both pairs of opposite sides are parallel. That is AB parallel CD and AD parallel BC. So this is the first. Second property is its both pair of opposite sides are equal. That is AD equal to BC and AB equal to CD. Okay. The third property is both pairs of opposite angles are equal. That is angle A is equal to angle C while angle B is equal to angle D. Fourth property is that if you add any two adjacent angle, then its sum will be 180. So sum of any two adjacent angles of parallelogram is supplementary, that is angle A plus angle B, which is also equal to angle B plus angle C, is again equal to angle C plus angle D, is again equal to angle D plus angle A, and ultimately these all pairs equal to 180. And the fifth property is diagonals of a parallelogram bisect each other. That is, when we draw one diagonal, it bisects the other, and other diagonal bisects the first. That is, AC and BD both bisect each other at one point, which is named as O. That means AO is equal to OC and OB is equal to OD. So these 5 are the important properties for parallelogram. Taking the help of these concepts, we can easily solve the related exercise of understanding quadrilateral. Now, since parallelogram is of many types, we have already discussed in the video part first of this topic, so that things are written here again, that what a rhombus means. So a rhombus is a parallelogram whose two adjacent sides are equal. Rectangle is a parallelogram whose each angle is 90 degree, and a square is a parallelogram whose two adjacent sides are equal and each angle is 90 degree. Okay, now student, we will discuss some formulae which is related to our exercise problem, where questions are given to solve. So let us see one by one. Suppose we have a polygon and we want to find its sum of all interior angles. Then we can find it by using the formula n minus 2 into 180 degree. where n is number of sides in the given polygon. Okay, but with the help of this formula we can find out the sum of all interior angles. Second one is sum of all exterior angles of a polygon is always fixed. It is 360 for all. Either the polygon is of 3 sides or 5 sides or 8 sides or 10 sides, whatever the side be. But for all polygons, sum of all exterior angles is always 360. Third one is number of diagonals, how we can find out in a polygon. Although you know in a triangle, which is the polygon of 3 sides, doesn't have any diagonal, so diagonal starts from 4 sides polygon, that is from quadrilateral. So here one formula is given. With the help of this formula we can find out number of diagonals present in a polygon, which is equal to n into n minus 3 by 2, where n is the number of sides. Quite natural, n will be here from 4 onward, that is 4 or more, because if you put n equal to 3 for triangle here, you will get number of diagonal 0. So that's why we have written here where n is in this formula equal to 4 or more. Okay, next formula is each interior angles of a regular polygon. You know student, in a regular polygon all sides are equal. Quite natural, on that basis its all interior angles are equal, and on that basis you can also predict that if interior angles are equal, then its all exterior angles will also be equal. Okay, so each interior angle of a regular polygon, see here this formula is for regular polygon, whereas above formulae were for any polygon. So each interior angle of a regular polygon can be found by using the formula n minus 2 into 180 by n, where n is the number of sides in the polygon. Okay, similarly each exterior angle of a regular polygon, since in regular polygon all exterior angles are equal, so each can be calculated. So each exterior angle is equal to 360 divided by n, that is number of sides. Okay, and you know in a polygon at each vertex there is one interior angle, and if you produce its side adjacent to this interior, there will be an exterior angle, and the sum of these two, interior and exterior angle, is always a linear pair, that is equal to 180. So here that is also written in the form of formula that at each vertex of a polygon, interior angle plus exterior angle is equal to 180, and the last one is number of sides of a regular polygon, how we can find it. So using the formula 360 divided by each exterior angle, if we divide 360 by each exterior angle, then we can say that number of sides in the given polygon is how many. But you see here the formula involves each exterior angle. Suppose student, each exterior angle is not given, interior angle is given, then also we can use this formula, because first we will use the above formula where interior angle plus exterior angle is equal to 180. So with the help of this formula, putting interior angle, we can have the exterior angle, each exterior angle, and now using the last formula we can find n. So these are the important formulae which will help you a lot in solving 100% exercise problem of understanding quadrilateral. So to you all, thanking you. Don't let us end here. Let's leave this video, and again I am reminding to make your suggestion, valuable suggestion, comment, like, share and subscribe. Thank you. Thanks.